How to get and share profile link in Amazon app. So the very first thing that you want to do is to check out first if the account that you created is available for public profile. In here, just simply search for public profile and then choose on Amazon public profile. From here, as you can see, we haven't created any content yet because we still need to check first if this account is eligible to create a public profile. And for you to copy and share your profile link in Amazon, just simply tap on create content and choose whether if it's for review or post like videos and photos and for a list. Now let's try on a review. Now, you can only use review if you already made any purchases from Amazon. Now, if we are going to choose on the second option, just says post, this is where we can go ahead and check if this account is eligible to create a public profile. Just have to head out first and check their community guidelines, and then come back here if your account is eligible. Now, same goes with idea list. Once you've successfully created your public profile, you can easily share your public profile to different platforms. It is just usually located at the right portion of your profile. That's it. That's how you get and share Amazon profile link from the app.